Do you have the right to work in the United Kingdom if you have made an application for asylum? The general rule is no. At the initial screening interview, the immigration officer would advise you if you have the right to work or not. The general rule is that asylum seekers are not allowed to work in the United Kingdom. You are seeking refugee, and therefore you become a burden of the state, who would offer you protection, financial support, accommodation, and any other means necessary. However, the Home Office may apply their discretion and grant the asylum seeker right to work. This discretion may be waived based on numerous reasons. So, for example, you attend an screening interview and you enter the UK, be it legally or illegally. So, for example, you came to the UK on a student visa or a visitor visa, and for some reason, you are unable to return to your country of origin because you fear persecution. This is just an example of where the Home Office may apply their discretion and grant you the right to work. The next question is, how do I or how am I able to get the Home Office discretionary right to work in the United Kingdom as an asylum seeker? Now, the first thing you have to remember is that you have no right to work. And therefore, if you're asking the Home Office to give you right to work in the UK, you must make an application to the Home Office requesting permission to work, especially in jobs on the shortage occupation list, such as a social care worker, a healthcare worker, a carpenter, a mason. Okay? The Home Office has the discretion to grant you or not to grant you. Generally, in order to be considered for any permission to work, there must be an asylum claim or further submission on protection grounds that has not been decided by the Home Office and has been outstanding for at least 12 months from the date the claim was lodged. So your request for permission to work must come after a year of your application being pending and a decision has not been made. I shall repeat this so that you can understand clearly. People who have claimed asylum in the United Kingdom can apply for permission to work if they have been waiting 12 months for a decision and they are not considered responsible for the delay.